Want to sell your ebooks and keep 100% of the profits? In this video, I'll show you how to create your own professional ebook store using Hostinger, no tech skills needed. Step by step, no coding. Start today, even if you're starting from scratch. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hostinger features. First, free domain. In some plans, Hostinger offers a free domain for the first year with certain plans, helping you save money when launching your website. 2. Affordable pricing. Compared to providers like Bluehost and SiteGround, Hostinger offers significantly lower prices, making it a great choice, especially for beginners. 3. Easy-to-use interface. Hostinger's H-Panel is simpler and more user-friendly than cPanel, making it easy to navigate even for those with no prior experience. 4. High performance. Hostinger servers use Lightspeed cache and SSD storage, ensuring fast loading times. 5. AI Website Builder. You can create a website in minutes without any coding knowledge. 6. 24/7 customer support. Fast and responsive support, available via live chat, performs better than some competitors. 7. Free SSL certificates, security and encryption without extra cost. 8. Multi-website. Hosting. Advanced plans allow you to host multiple websites at no additional cost. 9. Daily backups. In some plans, extra protection for your data. Now that we've covered Hostinger's key features, let's look at the differences between its hosting plans so you can choose the best one for you. So, we are going to choose the right plan. I'll scroll down, and as you can see, I have 3 plans, each of which includes the AI website design feature. I'll choose the premium plan. No need to worry, as all plans include the AI website design feature. You can also get all these features, as you can see. I recommend checking them out later. Now, I'll click on Choose Plan. And then this window appears, as you can see. After that, if you sign up through the link, you'll get a 20% discount. If you choose a 48-month subscription, it will cost you $114. As you can see here, a 20% discount has been applied. If you choose 24 months, it will cost you $57. And if you choose a 12-month subscription, it will cost you only $28, which is great as a start. So, my friends, as you see, this is my website interface, the Hostinger site. First, I will click on Website List. I will click here, then I will click on Add Website. No coding, no complex tools. Just follow along and build your ebook store from scratch. It's that simple. Now, I will click on Hostinger Website Builder. So, as you can see, this is the interface. These are the 2 fields. So, I will enter the brand name in the first field, which is Bookafly. And in the second field, I will write the description of the website I want. And I will click on Create a Website. Here, we need to wait a little while until our website is being prepared. As you can see, this is the website. It looks great, doesn't it? This is the home page, and here are the categories. and this is phone version. Now we're going to start customizing the site. So I'm going to click on Continue. This interface will appear. Then we click on Edit Website. As you can see, if we want to change this title, for example, we just need to click on it and type the new title. The same goes for the text here. We can easily change it. So, the first thing we'll do is change the background. We click on Edit Section, then on Replace Image. After that, we click on Upload Files and upload the image related to the title. We wait for the image to upload. Then click on it, and I will click on Select. As you can see, the image has been changed. Alright, after finishing changing the background image and the titles, it's time to add a new product to our website. We'll start by clicking on Manage Store. Then selecting Products. After that, I'll delete the existing products because they are listed as physical products while we want to upload a digital product, specifically an ebook. At this point, some options will appear, and I'll choose Digital Products. We have two options. First, I'll upload the book's image. As you can see, it has been uploaded successfully. Now we can easily fill in all the fields by clicking on Create Product Details. Everything looks good. I just need to adjust the price. I'll set the price at $7.99 and in the discount field, I'll put $6.99. Next, I'll upload the book content file and choose a category for the book, such as Business. Then I'll click on Add, and after that I will click on Save. And that's it, the product has been successfully uploaded. And this is how the book appears on the website. After adding the product, the next step is to add your domain name. If you want to add a domain name, simply click on Connect Domain, then click on Change Domain. After that, you can enter and select your own domain name. In this step, we will add social media links. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Edit Social Icons button. Social media icons such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. will appear. Add the links to your social media accounts in the designated fields. After saving, when a visitor clicks on one of the icons, they will be redirected directly to your page on that platform. Now, for the next step, we will update the payment method by adding PayPal. To do this, we click on Manage Store and click on Add Payment Method. And then click on Connect. After that, we log in to our PayPal account by entering our email and clicking Next. Here, the site asks me to verify my phone number, and I will receive a code. I enter the code received on my phone. Then, two options will appear. I select the first option. As you can see, thanks for watching. If you're thinking about starting your own ebook store, now is the perfect time to take action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and see you in the next video.